almost every night when that moon is.
Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a kawaii pumpkin pie. They are so cute. Okay, so let's start out with a normal little triangle. Then we're going to go down, and then go down over here. Connect your pieces. And then we are going to add the cute little eyes. Now I'm going to show you a trick to draw the perfect eyes. For these eyes, you want these, but then you want pupils. So let's go ahead and draw some pupils in there. And if you want, we will draw eyelashes because that's what I'm going to do. And then you draw a smile. What you do next is you draw this outline right here. Go up, side, down, over, up again, and then into the curve. See? And then there's a circle. And then there's a cherry. Now we are going to delete right here. Like that. I'm gonna just take that out. And if you want even, you can zoom in and delete some of this, because I do not like some of these. And then we can go over to this little area. That kind of ruined it. There we go. And then we will draw another of the circles. Like that. 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 And then add the eyelashes. Oh gosh. I think I might need to zoom in a little for these little guys. See? There we go. Okay. The next thing is we need to add color. So let's get a little brighter orange. We'll get a dark brown. We will get, well, the white stays. We'll get a lighter cherry red. And then we'll just add some extra, like little cheeks. Like, Isn't that cute? And I'm gonna make this in my shop. I'm gonna sell this in my shop for 30 sapphires. And I hope this helps you guys out. And if you're wondering where the heck she's selling it, Animal Jam! Oh, okay, wait, I'm gonna add little cheek marks there too, because I feel like she deserves some too. Okay, guys, bye!